half moon door's tube gets laid out perfectly by using a piece of wood as a compass-like tool to ensure accuracy. After cutting and saturating a piece of foam to fit a circular drill bit, a perfect hole is bored into the tile. This stack driver straps on 2x4 perpendicularly to the way his tire spins to gain traction on every rotation. The joint on this wood casing disappeared by using a wood filler crayon and a dump rag to wipe away the excess. After measuring this tricky cut to fit a farm scene, this craftsman makes intricate cuts to a piece of wood using a table saw. By stretching shipping tape in opposite directions, you can release the hole with no damage to your document. The SD wires gain access to their keys by adhering scotch tape to a window and using it as a handle for leverage. Air gets captured in a plastic bag and then redirected to grow this campfire via a separate blowhole and tunnel. This worker squirts glue into a screw hole and then inserts and shears off a piece of wood to ensure a tight hole. This herring gets descaled with a coin season wrapped in tin foil and then cooked in lava made from scrap metal.